Hi there, my name is Pam, and this week's meditation topic is me who is attached to family. I knew myself to be a sensitive kid, and when I looked back on my pictures, it was clear that I was very sensitive to people's facial expressions and moods. So if those around me seemed happy, then I felt, okay, I'm safe, everything's okay. And if people around me seemed stressed or irritated, I thought, oh, I must have done something wrong, they must not love me. Not only this, but as I got older, I realized I formed a lot of expectations on my parents and family members, ideas of how they ought to be, and then if they didn't match to that expectation, I would feel resentful. So ultimately, instead of being able to see them as full, multifaceted humans, I really put them into a box and saw them narrowly as my mom, my dad, and so on. Only by being able to look at these pictures from the universe perspective, I could really enlighten that those pictures were just my perception of that moment, a limited snapshot. Even if that person had been in a stressed state at that time, could have been from work or other things on their mind, nothing to do with me, but I could have only experienced it from my self-centered viewpoint at that moment. So ultimately, by being on this journey of finding the true self, we come to uncover the innate wisdom of the universe that's within us all. For me, what I noticed was that this internal wisdom became a source of guidance and direction. So I no longer was so attached to the approval of my parents and family pertaining to my life choices. And at the same time, I could stop holding them to my own standards and judgments. So without these clouds of attachment covering up them and our relationship, I found myself becoming so much more interested in them on a human-to-human level, wanted to understand more about their past, their life experiences, their perspective. And as a result, our relationships have become much warmer, more open, and authentic. And I'm so grateful for that.